If you missed the business filing deadline, you're probably feeling one of two things right now: panic or relief. But guess what? Both are still very dangerous, and what you do right now still matters. What's up, guys? Mike back at it from Ledgerly, CPA, co-founder, alongside my partner in crime, Andrew D'Amico, bringing you the latest and greatest when it comes to business tax strategies, individual tax strategies, and all things accounting. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for videos just like this one. So this video is for business owners that missed the March 15th deadline. Here's the mental trap. March 15th passes, business owners mentally close the books, no action until April 14th, hint, the day before your individual tax deadline, and then you're ultimately shocked at the outcome. In a nutshell, missing the deadline does not automatically close quarter one. It essentially changes the rules of the game. So what still matters? What matters in those 2 weeks between March 15th and March 31st? Before March 31st, you still need to be thinking about your cash flow positioning because you might have to be making another payment come April for your individual tax deadline. What's your extending strategy? What's your filing strategy? What's your estimated tax planning strategy? These are all items that need to be cleaned up and thought about while filing your individual tax return. And if we don't do anything, there can be some real consequences between now and April 15th. It can lead to a larger federal and state tax liability on your individual return. It can lead to missed planning conversations, and it can lead to reactive decisions rather than strategic decisions. But don't worry, there's still hope. What do smart business owners do? And that's what you are because you're watching this video. Smart business owners use the rest of quarter one to their full advantage. They don't hide it under a rock and wait for a letter to come into the mail. Yep, slap on the wrist, we screwed up this year, but what do we need to do between now and April 15th to get our ducks in a row? So if you want the cheat code, if you want to know the right steps to take between now, April 15th, and also the business extension deadline, make sure you book a consultation and let's help build that game plan, that roadmap for you. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get to work and fix this situation once and for all for you. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next video.